Alright, so we're going to start off with the Galaxy S10. This variant is in Prism White. And yeah, so we're going to be using our trusty number 2 blade. And let's get started. And there's the box for the S10. So this package contains the Samsung Galaxy S10, the wall and USB charger, stereo headset, USB connector, quick reference guide, and the terms and conditions. So let's get this bitch opened up. So that's where your guides and stuff are going to be. Here's the S10. Let me go ahead and lift that up. And yeah, that nice glorious prism white. And as you can see, we got the 3 camera setup. We got camera 1, camera 2, 3, flash, and the heart rate sensor. Over at the top, we have the micro SD and SIM tray, the top mic. Over at the bottom, we have the USB-C port and of course the headphone jack. We also have another microphone and a speaker grill. Over at this side, we have the power button, and on the other side, we have the volume rocker and the Bixby key. And the Bixby key is also now remappable, so enjoy it. Let's get this baby fired up.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Alright, and the charger we got with this phone is white to match the device itself. It's got a matte feel to it, but it's still a little semi-glossy. It reminds me of last year's model. It looks like it might even have the same specs at 2 amps out. But it'll provide that Samsung fast adaptive charging. And here we have the USB-A to C adapter, which is quite useful. And of course, the USB-C cable to charge your phone. Pretty nice. Now let's go ahead and take a look at those included AKG earbuds. I really like that they went with a knitted cable this year. The quality of the included earbuds is just amazing. I'm definitely going to use these. And let's see what we got in the little guide kit. You know, the thing nobody cares about. You got your Samsung branding, the SIM sword, haha, and of course, the paperwork. So here's the bullshit brochures nobody cares about. I think I'm just going to toss them to the side. Yeah. And let's jump into the S10 Plus. This is the box for the S10 Plus. You got the same contents that you do with the S10, but of course, this is the S10 Plus in Prism Black. And now, let's grab our number 2 and cut this open. And like the S10, the S10 Plus sports the 3 camera setup as well. You got your telephoto, wide angle, and ultra wide camera sensors. Of course, you also got your flash and your heart rate sensor. Over at the top, we have the micro SD and SIM tray, the top microphone, the power button, speaker grill, bottom microphone, USB-C port, and our trusty headphone jack. On the left side, we have that remappable Bixby key and our volume rocker. And now, it's time to play.
let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
And just like my white S10 came with white accessories, my black S10 Plus came with black accessories. We got the matte black wall adapter, and it's looking really good. We also have the matte black USB-A to USB-C adapter. I really like that one. And here we have our new charging cable. It looks like this also has a matte black finish to it. I actually really like how that looks. Too bad it's not long though. And here are those AKG earbuds. These ones have that same knitted cable that the S10 came with. It's looking really good. Good job, Samsung. And now we're going to go over the guides. I'm expecting them to be the same as the S10s. But yeah. Got another SIM sword. Yeah, that's what I call it. I'll actually open this one up so you guys can see what that says, because, you know, it looks useful. So it's looking like the phone comes with a screen protector pre-installed. I didn't even notice. Thank you, Samsung. I actually have a pretty dope case right here for the S10 Plus. It's a simple matte black shell case with my favorite sticker on the back. But before I put the case on, there, much better. Let's go ahead and snap the case on now. Perfect. I'm really liking how this case looks. Feels great in hand. And it looks good in pretty much every direction I'm looking at it. Perfect. And guys, that's going to conclude this unboxing of the S10 and S10 Plus. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is my first experience kind of, you know, trying to do things for real. But yeah, I hope you can like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to check out my boy Kenneth Alexander, my boy Maddie. Shout out to Nick, Max, and the rest of Sam Central. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good one. Peace.